Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's mini-series of 5 episodes, we are going to show you 25 tips for parenting your child with anxiety. So please make sure that you watch the other episodes as well. So let's get it started. 11. Learn the vocabulary of an anxiety specialist, starting with the big 3, T's, O's, and C's. T's are the triggers. Triggers are the internal or external things that bother us. T's elicit the initial fear response. Almost any thought, thing, or experience can be a trigger. O's, which can also be F's, represent obsessions or fears. These are the worries, images, feelings, beliefs, or physical sensations that are unwanted, unintentional, and make the person feel nervous, guilty, fearful, disgusted, and more. C's, which can also be R's or SB's, are called compulsions, rituals, or safety behaviors. These are intentional actions and thoughts. The latter are called mental rituals, that are used to temporarily avoid distress. These actions are the fuel that's maintaining anxiety or OCD. 12. Don't be deceived. Rituals, compulsions, and safety behaviors come in many forms. Although worries and obsessions are a problem, avoidance, compulsions, routines, and safety behaviors are the problem. The issue with OCD and anxiety disorders is not the worry itself, but rather the constant cycle of repeating behaviors, either mental or behavioral. To successfully manage anxiety or OCD in your child, rituals must be named and reduced. 13. Rituals in the mind are not obsessions. Mental rituals, have the same effect as compulsive hand-washing, checking, confessing, or other observable routines. They keep your child trapped even when you can't see them perform them. Examples include over-repeating statements or replaying events in the mind, over-observing their physical reactions, questioning whether they were understood correctly, and many other mental actions that are designed to lessen the unpleasant emotions connected to the fundamental anxieties. Although naming and eliminating them can be challenging, they will assist to stop the pattern of recurrent mental movements with practice and expertise. 14. The family is stuck thanks to family accommodations, FA. The acts, gestures, or words we employ as loved ones to protect fearful children from uncertainty or suffering are known as family accommodations, or FA. More than 90% of households with nervous kids say they provide FA. Even though the intention is to halt the suffering, these activities actually exacerbate the issue, and leave families feeling worn out and exploited. One of the first and most crucial stages to breaking the cycles parents inadvertently engage in with their anxious children is being able to recognize accommodations and move away from them. 15. We are aware that RS is challenging. A fantastic method to learn is to ask questions to your youngster when they're curious. However, reassurance-seeking, RS, turns into the quickest approach to move through the situation, leading to a ritual cycle, when your child is getting stuck, believes their own fearful thoughts, or is unable to discover a way to accept uncertainty. In an active phase of treatment with your child, presume that the majority of queries about triggering issues are nothing more than RS because it might be challenging for Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.